The real cost of airbag replacement.
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing a crucial question related to car safety. How much does it cost to replace a deployed airbag? This is a particularly important topic for those who have unfortunately been involved in a car accident and need to restore their vehicle's safety features.
Why do we need to replace deployed airbags?
To start off, let's talk about why we need to replace deployed airbags. Airbags are an essential safety feature of any vehicle. They protect drivers and passengers in the event of a crash. But once an airbag has been deployed, it cannot be reused, it needs to be replaced. A non-functional airbag can significantly increase the risk of injury in the event of another accident.
What factors influence the cost of airbag replacement?
The cost to replace an airbag can be influenced by several factors. 1. Make and model of the vehicle. Some high-end models or older cars might have more expensive parts or more complex replacement processes. 2. Location of the airbag. The cost can vary depending on whether it's a driver's side, passenger side, or side airbag. 3. Labor. The hourly rate of a mechanic can greatly impact the overall cost.
So, how much does it actually cost?
Now to the heart of the matter. On average, for many vehicles, you can expect airbag replacement to cost between $1,000 and $6,000 per airbag. This includes parts and labor. Remember, these are only estimates. The cost can significantly vary based on the aforementioned factors. In conclusion, while the expense of airbag replacement may seem high, it's essential to remember the invaluable role these devices play in our safety. It's always advisable to consult with a professional mechanic or your car's manufacturer for an accurate quote. Remember, no cost is too high when it comes to your safety. Stay safe on the roads.